Hi guys, welcome to Airstream DFW. I'm Michaela Evans. I'm here today with a 2025 Basecamp 16X. Now, you guys, I'm running out of things to show y'all in the showroom. We're so close to 2026. So everything that we're looking for until you hear me say the words 2026 is on clearance price. So if you like what you're seeing right now, please call us, reach out to us, comment on this video. You are getting some really great deals in the showroom right now. So I haven't done a base camp since an REI like 2 years ago. This is a small unit. If you have a tow vehicle that has a really strict weight restriction, like a Jeep, you guys, a Jeep, that's what we're talking about here, Jeep. Or something, a small SUV. This thing weighs 3,500 pounds, so pretty lightweight, and we're still keeping that nice big lift kit. We're still keeping big wheels and tires, so it's going to give you that off-road capability. Now, a base camp's a little bit different than a traditional trailer, right? We've just got the look like you're going to be more rugged, more off-grid type of situation. So when we go inside, you're going to see that inside as well. And this base camp line, if you feel like a 16 is too small, go back to some of my other videos. You can see what a 20X looks like. This X package is an option. So 3-inch lift kit, stone guards on the front, some other upgrades that make it a little more rugged. I cannot imagine getting this base camp without that option. Everyone I have here in the store, that's how we're going to carry them. This unit is also easy to find. Pre-owned, if you're interested in that and want to save some money by going pre-owned, please call us. We've got a couple of those on the lot as well too. So let's go and check this thing out inside. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm inside the Basecamp 16. This is the best part. One of the best parts. Okay, right here in the front, you've got a full galley kitchen, nice big sink, 2-burner stovetop grill. This is gonna run off of propane. Nice big windows. Now, everyone always asks, do these windows open? They do not. They're curved, so they can't open. We've got a few other windows that open, as well as a nice hatch that I'll show you in the back. Now, underneath this galley, you've got everything you need, a nice size refrigerator, a microwave under here, as well as storage. Airstream even does this nice little shoe tray so you don't get the inside muddy as you're coming inside. You've got some storage on this side as well. Now, behind me is a wet dry bathroom. If you're a tent camper, this is glamping, right? We're moving up to having a bathroom inside. Y'all would be amazed how many trailers I see in this size and weight that do not come with a bathroom. You guys, this is so nice. You're in a small size. You can tow it with a small SUV and still get your own bath and shower. Even though it's a wet, dry bath, it's still something. It's nice and roomy. I'm 6'5", just kidding, I'm 5'4", but I can fit in here very comfortably. You're waterproofed. You've got toilet paper holder in here that can't get wet. Shower curtain so you can leave the door open and not feel so claustrophobic with the door closed. You've got some hooks to hang towels, and this actually will come off, as well as a clothesline to dry any clothes and towels in here as well. You've got a little safety lock box here, so if you want to put any of your camping equipment down in this, it can be locked up away from everyone. As you move back this way, you'll see on the floor, we've got a place to set up some tables, so you can actually sit here and have these nice tables set up to work from, eat, whatever you want to do. But this back area, this is the bed. You guys, this whole thing is the bed. It is big, you know what I mean? It is big. So this would measure like a king size bed. You're gonna have nice roomy. Now, base camp is for camping, you guys. There is no TV, there is nothing. So I've had some customers put up a projection screen in here, bring a little iPad. There's a ton of USBs and plugs back in this rear section. And then we've got storage under one side of the bed and components under the other. So plenty of storage back here. When this bed is made up, you can still put everything, all your supplies up underneath it. So let me show you this rear hatch now. So here's your back hatch. So nice and open here. You even have a two-sided screen to keep the bugs out on the side, some pockets for storage here, and this back is actually a window that will open and you can see out, or blackout shade if you want some privacy at night. Down underneath me, you'll see where your spare tire is, and up above there's some brake lights. Ask our service team about adding a rear view camera. That's a nice little add-on for any of the base camps. You have some nice rainproofing around here, so you don't have to worry about leaks with this store or anything like that, but we love this cross breeze. So if the front door is open with the screen, you have your bug screens here. We've got a nice open trailer while you're camping. Okay, we're at the front of the base camp now. Let me show you some features up here. You have an electric tongue jack, a light for the front of your trailer. There's also a leveler here, so you can kind of see how level you are from the front to the back. Propane tanks. This has some storage, you guys, so this tray will lift up. You've got two 20-pound propane bottles in here, and then this is all storage. Your shore power plug will fit in here perfectly, along with your stabilizing jack crank will fit just perfectly into this storage. Now, there's also a spot up here on this tongue to plug in some additional solar panels. So on this model, like I have in stock, you have 200 watts of solar, so two 100-watt solar panels. If you wanted to add additional, all it is a plug and play, and we sell those in our parts department. Now, there's also an LP port here, so if you want to hook up a little gas grill or have a way to have some propane coming out, you've got that available to you as well. And like I said, the Ext package gives you the stone guards and the solar guards, so some nice extra protection in the front of the trailer here. Now, if you look and you zoom in, you can see that little sales price, or you can call me here at the store and I can get you some sales pricing or some pre-owned pricing on another Basecamp 16 that we have in stock. Do your research, you guys. There's different color options. There's the Ext package. We've got the REI package. So really good choices on these base camps. If you're not sure about your tow vehicle, call me. We can go over all that too and see what you're actually able to tow. And one last thing before I see you guys again, go check out our Facebook page, check out our Instagram. Here at Airstream DFW, we're really praying and think about all of our Kerrville families, and we've got a spot for you to donate to all the flooding and everything that happened in Kerrville. So please go check that out. Comment here if you want the link, and I'll comment back what the link is. But just know, all of our Texas campers and friends, we're thinking about you guys down in South and Central Texas. So talk to you guys soon. Be looking out for those 2026s too. Talk to you later. Bye.